Itel A26 A571L Android 10 bypassed FRP easy method. Start. Skip. Connect to Wi-Fi. Next. Don't copy. Use my Google account instead. Next. Mail or phone number not known. Press the back button. Emergency call. Double-click emergency information. Pen mark. I will keep the name. People mark. Choose an image. Click on the three dots. Permissions. Search icon. Type settings. Go to the Settings app. Open. Security. Screen lock not working. Press the back button. Go to the Settings app. Open. Apps and notifications. Chrome. Open. Accept and continue. No thanks. Type ʟɪꯙᴇ. Bypass Google account 2022 ʟɪꯙᴇ. Open screen smart lock. Pattern. Confirm. Press the back button. Start. Skip. Next. Don't copy. Use pattern. Skip. Skip. More. Accept. Use pattern. Skip. Fuck. Agree. Choose the country. Bangladesh. Next. Next. Device is unlocked. Go to the Settings app. System. About phone?